skincare, and self-delusion. You have just been surviving on Maggie and coffee for 3 straight days. Your skin is not a magician. Do not expect it to be. This is the secret of my changed life, of my new glowing skin. See, glowing skin does not come from just filters. How some skincare products cost more than even rent. Reverse aging in just 7 days. Alright, let's talk about something which is very close to our hearts. Skincare and self-delusion. Now don't lie to me. We all want a nice glowing skin, radiant skin, don't we? But at the same time, we really love our pani puri, our spicy food, cheesy fries, late night snacks, zero sleep, and absolutely we want no breakouts at all. Isn't that just adorable? What an expectation. One day, we wake up, we drink a glass of green smoothie, do yoga for 7 minutes, and think that we have unlocked some secret to the universe. The next day, we will eat our regular food, we'll eat our box full of donuts, and then we will blame our pimples on the weather. Isn't that amazing, the kind of expectations that we have? See, people say, I'm using this new cream. It is supposed to give you instant glow. And I'm like, ma'am, you have just been surviving on Maggie and coffee for 3 straight days. Your skin is not a magician. Do not expect it to be. And let's not even start on the marketing claims that all these big companies will do. Reverse aging in just 7 days. Oh wow. Can you also reverse my student loan and my bad life choices? Because then I am really interested in all this. And look at those influencers with flawless skin, holding a product and saying, this is the secret of my changed life, of my new glowing skin. Sweetheart, you live in Bali, drink coconut water all day, and haven't seen air pollution in 5 years. Please sit down. You don't apply. And what's with this DIY mask? Somebody is blending a banana, honey, turmeric, oats, and you call it a miracle skin glow, miracle glow mask. No, ma'am. That is breakfast. You made a breakfast, put it in a bowl, and not on your face.
Kyun?
That's what it is. And now let's talk about how some skincare products cost more than even rent. You apply 3 drops of this miracle serum and suddenly your bank account will get a rash. At this point, I feel like they should also give a free therapist along with these expensive products. Here's your glow serum and here is a therapist who will teach you why did you buy it. And don't even pretend like you haven't tried those 3 AM skincare hacks from Instagram. I'm sure you have tried all of these. Rub ice cubes, steam your face, eat flax seeds, chant affirmations, align your chakras.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I want a clear skin and not a full-time job. Please give me something which I can do. And here's the real deal in all this. See, glowing skin does not come from just filters. It comes from water, sleep, real food, and real ingredients. You need real stuff to get a good skin. Your skin is not a battlefield. Be gentle on it. You do not need to attack it with 24/7 products, so many different kind of 15-step procedures. And please stop expecting miracles from a tiny jar. It's skincare, not black magic. See, the truth is consistency over everything. Consistency beats chaos. A basic honest skincare works far better than an expensive 15-step procedure that you abandon after day 3. So be kind to your skin. Eat your veggies, hydrate, sleep like a baby. And once in a while, go ahead and enjoy that pizza. But then don't complain to your mirror next day because you're going to see some difference. And yes, crying in the shower also counts as a hydrating face mist. Just saying.